friends. Today we are going to learn about count nouns versus non count nouns. Count nouns can be counted as one or more. Pen, computer, bottle, spoon. Take an S to form the plural. Pens, computers, bottles, spoons. Work with expressions such as few, many, some. A few pens, many bottles, some spoons. Work with appropriate articles a, an, or the. A pen, the computer, a bottle, the spoon, a flower. Non count nouns cannot be counted. They usually express a group or a type. Water, wood, ice, air, oxygen, English, Spanish, traffic, furniture, milk, wine, sugar, rice, meat, flour, saucer, sunshine, etc. Generally cannot be pluralized. Work both with and without an article, a, an, or the, depending on the context of the sentence. Example: sugar is sweet. The sunshine is beautiful. I drink milk. He eats rice. We watch saucer together. The wood is burning. Work with expressions such as some, any, enough, this, that, and much. Example: we ate some rice and milk. I hope to see some sunshine today. This meat is good. She does not speak much Spanish. Do you see any traffic on the road? That wine is very old. For more educational videos, subscribe to Catrack Kids TV.